Changing your username on Afterpay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Log in. Access the Afterpay website or app and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is typically found in the menu, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Select username change. In the account settings, look for the option to change your username. This may be labeled as edit username or change username. Step 4. Enter new username. Input a desired new username in the provided field. Make sure it meets any specified requirements, such as character limits or uniqueness. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, confirm the change by clicking the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your username has been successfully updated. Make sure to remember your new username for future logins. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Afterpay's customer support for assistance.